Hi there, welcome to our Tobin Talk series. My name is Michael Tobin. It is the start of football season, so just like last year, I am celebrating our Miami Dolphins and wishing them well in the upcoming season. Today we are going to talk about construction lien law in Florida, a very weighty subject that there is no way to do justice to in the normal 2.5 minutes, but we'll give it our best shot. Construction lien law is an attempt in Florida to protect lienors, contractors who improve your home or your office building or your rental building and are not paid. So, the essence of the Florida construction lien law is to protect people who improve the value of the property and are not paid for their work. The main way that contractors are protected is through the ability to record a lien or a claim of lien against your property. That is simply a claim for payment for work done to improve your property. That lien becomes an encumbrance on the property, just like a mortgage, and the lienor, the contractor who alleges non-payment, has 1 year to file a foreclosure suit in the public records, in the clerk of court, for payment of that amount claimed due. The property owner has all rights to contest the validity or the amount of payment. That's what the courts are there for. There are plenty of notices and protections for notices for both property owners and lienors. The Florida Statute 713 works very well, but it is very intricate. And if you are in a situation where you are either a lienor or a lienee, meaning the contractor or the property owner, and you're in a dispute on payment, it's important to get counsel who's familiar with this statute and can help guide you through this dispute. So that's a very brief topic of construction lien law in Florida. If you need more information or if this situation should apply to you, please feel free to contact our office. As always, we thank you for joining. Hopefully you'll subscribe and like these videos, share them, let us know what topics we can do for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.